In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a house number on Google Maps. We'll keep this simple, clear, and practical so you can locate a house number quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com/maps. This takes you to the main Google Maps page. You'll see the map, a search bar at the top, and zoom controls on the side. Everything we're doing here on the web also mirrors what you'd experience in the mobile app, so the approach is consistent across devices. Next, click the search bar at the top. If it shows a past search, clear it so you're starting fresh. Now type the location you're interested in. Be as specific as you can, include the street name, city, and region, and add a postal code if you have it. As you type, maps may suggest likely matches. Those suggestions can save time, but you can also finish typing and press enter or tap the search icon to run the search. Once the map jumps to the general area, it's time to zoom in. Use the plus button on the map, your mouse's scroll wheel, or pinch to zoom on a touchpad or touchscreen. Go in gradually so the fine details can load. You can click and drag to pan along the street and keep the area of interest centered. If orientation is tricky, use the compass control to snap the map back to north up. You can also toggle between the default map view and satellite to better recognize landmarks. The switch is easy to find on the map controls and can help you align what you see with real-world features. As you get closer, look for small address labels. House numbers typically appear as subtle gray or black numbers near building footprints or along the curb line. Continue zooming until these labels are crisp and readable. If they don't appear immediately, pause a moment to let the map tiles and labels finish loading. Panning slightly left or right can also prompt labels to render. On slower connections, patience helps. The numbers often fade in a second after the imagery sharpens. In dense areas, check both sides of the street and move block by block. Numbers usually increase or decrease in a predictable direction. Nearby labeled properties can help you confirm you're in the right range. Do keep in mind that availability varies by region, and some rural or newly developed areas may show fewer labels. And that's the process. Go to Google Maps, use the search bar, zoom in methodically, and read the house number once it appears. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping.